Hello class and welcome back now. So after your maths class it's time to begin with our EVS class. Yes. So class, can anyone tell me what we did in our previous EVS class? What you have done then? We have discussed about different seasons, festivals. Not seasons, sorry. We have discussed about different festivals. Then we have a conversation class also in which I have told you about different festivals, isn't it? Okay. Now we are moving back to nature again. So festivals we have discussed, we have understood why we celebrate them, how we celebrate them, isn't it? Now we are moving back to nature. So moving back to nature means we are going to discuss about something that is given to us by this mother nature. And the most important thing we should we have in life, or we need that in every now and then in our life, that is water. Yes, so today we are going to discuss about water we drink and what all things we can do to save this water. See class, there are a lot of resources we have. बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज हैं पानी की जो हमें नेचर ने दी. Isn't it? The first and the foremost resource is rain. ये देखिए रेन है ना. अगर रेन नहीं होगी, जिस साल बारिश नहीं होती, रेन नहीं होती, what happens? हमारे पास बहुत कम वाटर होता है, isn't it? And if there will be no water, what will happen? You won't be able to drink water, we won't be able to wash our clothes, we won't be able to take shower, we won't be able to keep clean. Keeping yourself clean is very important. आप hand wash कर रहे हो, आप shower ले रहे हो, if you are using a toilet or you are doing your brush, or if mama is cooking food, just tell me one activity where you don't need water. Every now and then we need water. सिर्फ drinking पानी पीना is not the water requirement. Clothes धोने हैं, mom need water, isn't it? Then if she wants to clean the utensils, जब हम खाना खाते हैं, utensils को भी तो clean करना पड़ता है. For that she needs water. Now if she has to cook the food, again she needs water. If she has to make tea, coffee, something, she needs water, isn't it? So kitchen work is all full of water. Then again, if we talk about whenever you go to washroom for your shower, you need water. Washing clothes, you need water. To brush, you need water. When you are using a toilet, you need water. So all these things, again, for all that we need water. For plants, plants also need water as we need. Plants को भी तो पानी चाहिए होता है. If we talk about outside, animals, they need water. वो भी पानी पीते हैं. If you have a pet at home, you always give water ना, तो they need water, isn't it? So water is the main requirement, the major requirement of everyone, everybody. And if we'll keep wasting water, now what will happen? Just think it, I'll tell you, just think of a situation. You all have a overhead tank. आप सबके घर पे एक overhead tank है. टेरेस पे जो एक बड़ा सा टैंक रखा है जिसमें मम्मा वाटर फिल करती हैं, and for the whole day you use it. For example, just think of once, उसका सारा पानी finish हो जाता है and you don't have any source now. अब अभी water तो है ही नहीं आपके पास. How will you survive? That will be the most important thing ना. अब सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन है how we are going to do. पानी नहीं है, utensils clean नहीं होंगे. पानी नहीं है, we cannot take a shower. If we don't have water, how we are going to cook food? खाना नहीं बनेगा तो what we are going to eat? Isn't it? So all these things are interrelated. ऐसे ही अगर सारा पानी, वर्ल्ड का पानी फिनिश हो जाएगा, what will happen? So just think it. अगर आपके ओवरहेड टैंक का खत्म हो जाएगा तो आप कितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम में होंगे, isn't it? Similarly is कि if the water resources will go empty, हमारी जितनी भी resources हैं, C class, rain तब होती है जब बहुत सारे trees होते हैं, environment बहुत smooth होता है. ट्रीज तो हम कट किए जा रहे हैं. हाउ द रेन विल कम? नो, रेन नहीं होगी तो वेल्स में पानी नहीं होगा. रेन नहीं होगी तो रिवर में पानी कहाँ से आएगा? मेन तो रेन से ही आता है ना पानी. जब ऊपर से पानी गिरता है, रेन होती है, रिवर्स में भी पानी एक्यूमुलेट होता है. देन वी हैव वाटर इन वेल्स आल्सो, वी हैव वाटर इन वाटरफॉल्स आल्सो. जो वाटरफॉल्स होते हैं उनमें भी वहीं से पानी आता है. सी है, समुद्र जो है, उनमें भी पानी रेन से ही होता है इकट्ठा. इजंट इट? सो जब तक रेनफॉल नहीं होगा, हाउ विल गेट दिस वाटर? वाटर नहीं मिल सकता ना हमें. एंड फॉर रेनफॉल वी नीड टू कीप आवर एनवायरनमेंट क्लीन, ग्रीन, तभी रेनफॉल होती है. Isn't it? So there are a lot of many resources of water which we need to save. Water save करना is really very important. अब आपको समझ में आया? अब okay, take an example. If you are coming to school, आप एक water bottle fill करके ले आए and you finished it. Now you don't have water. What do you ask? Ma'am, may I go and refill my bottle? Yes, you can. You will go and you will refill the bottle. अब आपने टैप ऑन किया and you started refilling your bottle. बॉटल तो रिफिल हो गई, but you forgot to switch off the tap. आपने उस टैप को क्लोज करना भूल गए and you came back to class and sat. अब वो टैप में से क्या हो रहा है? वाटर गिर ही जा रहा है ना? वाटर इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ द टैप नाउ एंड लाइक दिस जो टैंक है वो एम्प्टी हो गया, खाली हो गया. अब अगर किसी और बच्चे की some other student has to refill the bottle, what will happen? There will be no water, isn't it? तो टैप खुला छोड़ना is really a bad habit. Habit नहीं बोलूंगी, you have to just be careful. आपको अपने आप को carefully देखना है. You have to be responsible for this, that if you have opened a tap for some use, close it. Similarly, if I am taking to your hand wash activity, so when you are applying soap apply हो रही है, टैप ऑन है, वाटर खिंडे ही जा रहा है. Why? Wet your hands, close the tap. हैंड्स को वेट करने के बाद आपको टैप क्लोज करना है, बिकॉज वी नीड टू रब सोप प्रॉपरली ना. दैट विल टेक सम टाइम. उतनी देर वो पानी वेस्ट हो रहा है अगर टैप ऑन है, isn't it? So just after that, just close the tap once your hands are wet. After that, apply soap, rub it properly. जब वो अच्छे से रब हो जाएगा, now you want to rinse it out. Again, you can open the tap. Clear? During your brush. So when you are doing your brush, tap is on. Why? No, you will not do it like that. Just once you can open the tap, you can wash your brush. After that, close it. आप उसके बाद पेस्ट अप्लाई करोगे and then you will rub your teeth clear properly. उतनी देर why you need water? You don't need it, है ना? So open the tap only when you need water. Unnecessarily now many of us love taking showers. शावर में बाथ लेना सबको अच्छा लगता है, isn't it? But when you are taking a bath in shower, you are actually wasting a lot of water. When you will take shower in a bucket, you have limited water. शावर में नहाने में पता ही नहीं लगता how much water has gone waste, isn't it? So always prefer taking bath in a bucket with mug. जब आप मग से water डालते हो, you actually know how much water you have used. But shower तो on है, बस it's on. You will never come to know, you will never able to count that, you will never able to find how much water is wasted. Then yes, keep a check on your papa also. When papa do shaving, whether he's keeping the tap on or he's actually not using it or not wasting water. Is that clear? Now again, when mama is washing utensils, sometimes she's scrubbing those utensils with soapy water, but the tap is on. No. Keep a check of all these small things. जब आप ये छोटी छोटी चीजों का ध्यान रखेंगे and थोड़ा थोड़ा अमाउंट वाटर सेव करेंगे, तो इफ एवरीवन विल डू दैट एवरी डे, सोचो जब हर कोई थोड़ा थोड़ा सेव करेगा तो कितना सारा सेव हो जाता है, isn't it? This is how we can save water for us. Now when you are planting waters, क्या होता है अब वाटर बॉटल में बहुत सारा पानी है, बच गया, and you are going back home. What you can do? Don't throw that water away like that. वो water आप plant को दो. It is like sharing your water with plant, isn't it? आपने स्कूल से water refill किया because you were feeling extra thirsty. आपको ज़्यादा प्यास लगी थी. That's good. पानी पीना is really very good for health. Keep drinking a lot of water. I'll suggest you. But in case you have left with some water in your bottle, just don't throw it like that. ऐसे मत throw करिए. You can give that water to some plant. आप किसी plant में डाल दीजिए. Plant को भी water मिल गया और वो water का use भी हो गया. Why to throw that water away? Isn't it? So these are small things that we can do to save water. Yes. Now I have few things that we can do. So let's see. Let's open our book and after that we'll understand picture by picture. I'll explain you how these activities can, different activities save water and how other different activities can actually help in saving water. Okay? So please open your book page number 91 and 92. So all of you open your EVS book page number 91 and 92. All of you open it and I'll tell you how we have to do today's work. Okay? So class, now open your EVS book 2. So this is your environmental studies book. Open this book on page number 91. So this is the page number 91. And when you will open your book on this page, you will see the topic water we drink. ठीक है, I told you ना that we need water to drink, and not only for drinking, we need water for many things. Clear? So first we have to write today's date here. So how we are going to do that? Now I'll write the date, that is 13th October 2020. Clear? This is how you have to write your date, and after writing the date, what you are going to do? You are going to write classwork here. So this is how you will write classwork. Understood? छोटू छोटू सा नहीं लिखना है. You have to write little big so that it is clearly visible. Understood? Now the question says paste stickers of the sources of water. So what you have to do? You have to paste stickers here. So what are these? River, well, waterfall, sea, rain. So these are different sources from where we get water. I told you how we get water. The foremost source is rain. Rain का पानी sea में, waterfall में, well में, river में, सब में आता है. And all these sources are natural. Nature ने दी है, भगवान ने बनाया है इनको. All these are natural sources. So from where you are going to take the stickers? You all know. See, the last page here we have these stickers. So what you will do? You will take them out from here and you will paste them on the page there. So now what you have to do? You have to paste these stickers. I told you how you can do previously also. Peel it from there and paste them all here. Next is number the picture in the correct order. So there are 4 pictures given here. What you have to do? You have to put them in correct order. So there is a Pingu, the penguin here. You know where penguins live? They love to live in icy regions. जहाँ पे बहुत ice होती है, water होता है. Penguins, they love to live in those regions. Like Arctic, जहाँ बहुत सारी ice होती है, water होता है, icy water. And they love playing in water. Clear? So now what you have to do? You have to number these pictures. The numbering says Pingu makes a splash. Here is Pingu penguin. Then Pingu is having fun. Pingu jumps. Now can you tell me what is the correct order of these pictures? सबसे पहले क्या होगा? So you all know swimming, you all love swimming. If not you, you might have seen your elder brother, sister or your father doing swimming. So सबसे पहले क्या होता है? First we go and stand at a platform. Jump करने से पहले. So here is Pingu Penguin. What do you have to write? Number 1. Then what do you do? When you are standing at a platform, what do you do? You jump. So Pingu jumps. Isn't it? फिर क्या हुआ? वो जब ऊपर खड़ा था, first he was standing and then he jumped. Jump करने के बाद क्या हुआ? Pingu makes a splash. वो एकदम से पानी में कूदा, है ना? उसने पानी में splash किया. So this is number 3. And next is Pingu is having fun. पानी में कूदने के बाद उसने क्या किया? वाटर में ढेर सारी मस्ती करी. Isn't it? So this is number 4. Understood how you have to do? So pasting of stickers you can do yourself, isn't it? You can do that. So the pasting of these stickers you can do yourself, and numbering we have done. Now moving towards your today's homework. What do you have to do? Now after 91, move to page number 92. So this is page number 92. The topic here says save water. So what do you have to do? You have to save water now. Again, first we are going to write today's date, that is 13th October 2020, and this is your homework. So we will write HW. Understood? Now what it says? Cross, mark a cross on the wrong things, wrong actions. So what you have to do? You have to see which action is right and which is wrong. So what this boy is doing, he is brushing the teeth, but the tap is on. Then what this man is doing, he is washing a car using a pipe. So he is wasting a lot of water here. Next, this girl is watering the plants, but she is not using the sprinkler. She is using a pipe again. The boy, he is taking shower in a bucket. This man is washing the car. He was also washing, and this man is also washing the car. But what is the difference? He is using lot of water and he is using less water. Then next is mother is washing the clothes, but tap is open and water is getting wasted here. And this boy is throwing garbage in water. Again he is spoiling the water. So what do you have to do now? Now it's your homework turn. You have to see which action is right and which is wrong. So you have to put a cross on the wrong action. Is that clear to all? How you are going to do your today's homework? So class, I hope you have understood how we can save water for us. What different activities actually help us in saving water, and how few of our regular habits, or you can say unknowingly, we are actually wasting water. So let us all keep a promise with each other that we'll save water. Thoda thoda karke we'll save, we'll try to change our habits. We'll try to change our habits and we'll try to save water. Isn't it? छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जिनको हम ध्यान में रखेंगे तो we can save a lot of water every day. And once we are in a habit of saving water, trust me, we will never go scared with water. कभी भी हमारा water कभी खत्म नहीं होगा, and we can keep enjoying our life in a smooth way. Isn't it? So finish your work and get ready for the next class. Bye. Take care.